back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did these. It took me a day and a half. Yes, it took me that long, but it's my first time, so don't even do it, don't even try me. Yeah, but a lot of people were like, oh, who did them? You're cute. And I was like, me girl, me. But yeah, I'm just gonna redo, like, there's a lot that need to be redone, but I've had a man for like 3 weeks now. I don't sleep with anything on my head, so that's probably why. They need to be redone. But I'm gonna just do, I don't know. I know I want to redo this one. Baby! It looks crazy. I don't know if you can see if they're like the butt. Yeah, they're like this long. But yeah, if you want to see how I did my faux locks, just keep on watching the video. The hair that I used is, ooh, it's about to fall. I use this Bobbi Boss hair as like the hair that you wrap around the faux lock in your hair. It's just the Passion Twist Boho style. I think I used 2 packs of these. No.
No, very much I did not. What are you talking about?
I honestly can't remember. I either used 1 or 2 packs, but I made a mistake because I got the 18-inch, so you probably want to get the 24-inch. As you can see, my hair is still kind of sticking out, and I tried to like wrap it around. The reason why that happened is because I didn't know that once you're like wrapping it, you wrap kind of like in the same spot kind of to make it thicker, so it's getting shorter and it's not covering enough of your hair. So you want to get the 24-inch. And then these are the locks that I have left over. They are the, anyways, I'm like so bad with remembering these names, but I'll just insert a photo of the hair that I used. I used 1 or 2 packs of this hair, and then I bought 3 packs of this hair, the faux locks, because I thought there was gonna be enough, but I actually ended up having to go back and get 1 more pack the next day. I also used this Got To Be Glued freeze spray to, like, you know, make the lock and like stick, kind of just to like wing it, because like I said, my hair wasn't covered, so I wrapped my hair around it and then I used the freeze spray to like make it stick. But it's been a while, so I probably need to redo them. So yeah, and I just used this to like mold the lock and keep it in place. Hey y'all, so to start, you originally want to have your hair sectioned into different parts. So you can see my little strand of hair right there. And then you're going to want to take 2 of your faux locks and you're going to attach them together. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So before you start putting the faux locks together, you're going to want to unravel one of the ends. So not the end with the circle piece, but the other end. So now that you have it unraveled, you're just going to insert this into the loop end of the other lock, and I'm just going to slow it down for you. So now what I'm doing here is just creating a knot, and I think I did this 3 times. You can do it twice, but to me, I had to do it 3 times in order for it to be secure. So now I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued Free Spray, and I'm just going to use this to blend the lock and make it look natural. But before I do that, I'm just going to cut away the 2 end pieces in order for the lock to blend better. So now, taking my crochet needle, I'm just going to put this through the root of my braid, and it's going to come through on the other end. And this is where you're going to attach the lock. So you're going to take that loop end and attach it to the crochet needle. You're going to close it and just pull it through. So now that you have the lock through the root of your hair, you're just going to open up that loop and pull your braid through it. So you're going to take your braid and swoop it through. Then you're just going to pull to create a knot. Alright, so here I'm just taking one of the passion twists, and I'm just going to carefully unravel it. So you want to be very careful when you do this because it can get tangled really easily, and then you just have to throw the whole thing away, and you don't want to waste the hair. So just take your time unraveling it, and after that you're just going to split it into 2 pieces. And for this part, I really think I just use 1 pack of this hair, because once you split it, you can use one of the pieces for 1 lock and then the other piece for another lock. So you're getting 2 locks for every passion twist. Here I'm just going back in with my crochet needle, and I'm pulling it through the root of my braid. And this time I'm going to be adding the passion twist hair. Then I'm going to close it and pull it through. And you're going to want to pull one end all the way through. That way you have 2 strands of hair on each side. This part here is just pretty much self-explanatory, but basically I'm just wrapping the passion twist around my braid and the faux lock. And when you're doing it at the top, you kind of want to do that like 3 times, wrap it around the same spot, and then you kind of want to come down and wrap it all the way down. So this is the part I was talking about at the beginning, where the passion twist, I ran out of passion twist to cover my real hair. So I'm just taking the freeze spray, and I sprayed a little bit on it, and I'm just wrapping my hair around the faux lock so it'll stick. here I'm just going to show you the whole process again on the other side. I'm just going to take the crochet needle and put it through the root of my braid, and then add the loop end of the lock, close it, and pull it through. Now I'm going to open up that loop end of the faux lock, and I'm going to drag my braid through that loop. Next, I'm putting the crochet needle through my hair again, and I'm going to be adding the passion twist. And once I have it hooked on, I'm just going to close it and then pull it through. Well, pull one end of it all the way through so that I have 2 strands of hair on each side. And lastly, I'm just taking the passion twist and I'm wrapping it around my braid and the faux lock. And I'm going to do this all the way down. Well, in my case, I couldn't do all the way down, so I'm just going to do it until it stops, and then I'm going to try my best to blend my hair around the faux lock. And here, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of messed up, but I ended up liking it because it gave it like the butterfly lock look, so I just kept it. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. This is basically what my hair looks like. It was my very first time trying faux locks, and like I said, it took me a long time to do. So if this is your first time, make sure you have like a weekend off to do these, because it definitely is a lot of like repetitive steps. But yeah, I like how it looks. You know, I'm not a professional, so it's not the neatest, but to be honest, as long as like the top part is neat, then I think it should be fine. I like how I did it, and it was my first time, so I'm proud of myself. I did a good job. I think the thing for me, like if you don't know how to like part your hair by yourself, I know how to, but it probably would have took me 3 days to do this look instead of a day and a half. So I got my sister to part my hair for me, and then my other sister also did locks herself, so I got her to do the locks in the middle, and I couldn't like reach, so I kind of cheated there. But yeah, this is how they turned out. I'm really like proud of the look, and a lot of people like them. You know, I was telling myself like, ugh, I didn't do a good job, but a lot of people were telling me that they actually look really good. But yeah, if you do like do it my way, you can just like touch these little pieces up with the freeze spray. I think for next time when I do them, I'm just going to get the hair in 24 inches instead of 18, so I can wrap all the way down to hide my hair. But yeah, it's a learning experience, so I feel like I did a good job my first time, but my second time I better slay these faux locks. It probably won't take me that long either. I'll probably get my sister to part my hair again, and then since I know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna go in with the little applicator, and then, you know, the more you do it, the better you get at them. I probably could start doing them on people and making some bank. I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure, because I don't want nobody to be like, I don't like these, and then they mad at me because they don't like their hair. That's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you like this style, and if you're gonna like try it on yourself. Don't be scared, because I started off doing my own box braids because, you know, you get tired of paying money for people to do your locks. These are like $200 some, almost $300. And I think next time I'm going to try the butterfly locks, because those people start at like $2.95, and I'm not paying somebody that much to do my hair. I'll rather learn on my own. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Deuces.